morning, children. Today we are going to learn about unitary method in ratio and applications. Okay. Already we know that in previous class, 6th class, unitary method. Unitary method is the first we find value of one unit and then we find the value of required number of units. Already we know that. For example, cost of 2 apples is 10 rupees. Then the cost of 12 apples, find the cost of 12 apples. First we find the cost of 1 apple. Cost of 2 apples is 20. Cost of 1 apple is 10 rupees. Then cost of 12 apples, 12 into 10, 120. Already we know that. So, example. A shopkeeper sells 5 tumblers for 30 rupees. What would be the cost of 12 tumblers? Okay, we find first cost of 1 tumbler and then we find the cost of 12 tumblers. Okay? Cost of 5 tumblers is equal to 30 rupees. Cost of 1 tumbler. Cost of 1 tumbler means 30 by 5. Cost of rupees by cost of units. 30 by 5. 5, 6 are 30. So 6 rupees. Each tumbler, cost of each tumbler 6 rupees. Cost of 12 tumblers. Is equal to 6 into 12, 72 rupees. Second example. What is the cost of 9 bananas? If the cost of dozen bananas is 20 rupees. Dozen bananas means 12 bananas. Okay? We find cost of 1 banana and next we find cost of 9 bananas. Dozen means 12. Bananas is equal to 20 rupees. Cost of 1 banana is equal to 20 by 12 rupees. Okay? Cost of 9 bananas is equal to 20 by 12 into 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Remaining 5 into 3, 15 rupees. Cost of 9 bananas is equal to 15 rupees. Next, we do these problems in unitary method. First question. 40 benches are required to seat 160 students. How many benches will be required to seat 240 students at the same rate? First, we find number of students to required to seat 1 bench. And then, okay, number of students required to seat 40 benches is equal to 160 students. Number of students required to seat 1 bench equal to 160 by 40. 0 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. That is equal to 4 students. Okay? Number of benches will be required to seat 240 students at the same rate. 240 students. That is equal to 240 by 4 students. 4 6 are 24. 0. 60 benches. Next question. The average human heart beats at 72 times per minute. How many times does it beat in 15 seconds? How many in an hour? How many in a day? These are 3 type of questions. Okay. First we find how many times, number of times heart beats in 1 second. Okay. One minute means 60 seconds is equal to 72 times. Number of heartbeats in 1 second is equal to 72 by 60. 72 by 60 times. First question. How many times does it beat in 15 seconds? Okay. Number of heartbeats in 1 second, that is 15 seconds, is equal to 72 by 60 into 15. Okay. 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 60. 4 ones are 4, 4 18s are 72. That is equal to 18 times. Okay. In second, this is first question. Second question. How many in an hour? Okay. Hour means 60 minutes. Already in 1 minute the heart beats in 72 times. Okay. Number of heartbeats in 1 hour, in an hour. 72 into 60. 6 2s are 12. 6 7s are 42 plus 1, 43. 4,320 times. Okay. Right. Number of heartbeats in a day. Day means 24 hours. Already we know that the number of heartbeats in an hour 4,320. In a day means 4,320 into 24. We calculate this. Okay.